Today I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Shopify. So here at their homepage, go ahead and go to settings. And then once you're in the settings, go ahead and go to payments. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, you're going to see add payment method. And then here, you can write down and search your preferred payment method, or you can choose here from the option. You can also select a provider. And in option 2, you can go back to payments and then go to add manual payment method. And here you just fill out the form that is required. And then if you're done filling up the necessary information, go ahead and click activate. If this video is helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.